Hello guys, I will show you how to make this car into a cool car with a space. Okay, like this. In the material we need to prepare to set up this car is like we have a spray, and I choose a white color, and then we need a screwdriver to hold this on the bottom of this car so the body can put off from the chassis. Why do we have to put the bottom of this car? Because when the process on the painting, the car is more safer and will easy to take a spray because the other like wheel and the window is more safer than touched by spray. Okay, now I want to make a hole this on this bottom of this car so the body can put off from the bottom car. We must make a hole on the bottom of this car because this is not like a nut we can screw like not usually, because we need to remove that with a screwdriver to crash out this so we can put off the bottom of this body. Okay, we are ready to make a hole of the bottom car so we can put off like this. We must be careful because this can make a crack or some. Okay, be carefully. Yeah, like this. Okay, so we can put off bottom like this. Nah, this is a window. Okay, like this. Okay, that we can put off the body so we can to spray the body of car with a spray so we can spray with safely and not danger for the other body like this, more safe from spray. Okay, that's way to spray this car. Okay, now we have a body of the car. Now we need to put the car on the like this so we can spray the car correct. Then we need to spray. This a spray like I say on the first video. Before we take a spray, we need to put off the air like this so the air on the spray can go out and the paint of spray can spray out on the body of car. Okay, let's we do spray. In the painting process, we have many several layers, but and this is paint is the first layer because I want to make the paint is fully on the body like adaptation the paint to the body color. and maybe I have three layers again to paint this car, so the paint can have a good quality of the paint. Okay, let's spray again. Okay, this is a finally of painting of the body car. Now it's a third layer, and you can see it's a fully covered all with the paint. The whole like and before layer now is covered again with the paint. Nah, you can see. Oh, okay, like this. This is our third layer of paint. So why I need you to make a third layer of a paint? Because like this, you can see the paint is correctly full paint on the body car. Okay, now we wait to dry the paint about 50 or 10 minutes. Okay, let me wait. Okay, this is the result of my car after give a paint with white color on my car. Also, this is finally because this is a spray, so I don't like this of the color because I want to add some like brake light or headlamp with some sticker, maybe can more like a real car. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is the sticker I add to my car, and I want to use a red sticker. This is for brake lamp on the back on this. Okay, yes. Then I will put this on the tail light up of the car on this. This is like a carbon carbon sticker. Okay. Okay, then we have a sticker for brake lamp like this. So I want to put them. Yes, maybe just for this. Look angry now. Okay, so this is final. Then I want to put them on the body. This car is already the new color and new spirit. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.